So now that you've reached this part of your assignment, you are on section 7 of 7, and it says on to illuminate. I just want to be very clear about all of the ways you can access illuminate. This link on your form should be clickable. If this link does not work, you also have the option to go in your digital notebook and click here for this link to pop open. If this link does not pop open for you or gives you trouble, everyone's link should work if you go to your Google Classroom assignment that will look like this. And at the bottom, you'll see that you've already opened the Google form and the Google Slides. This link right here will take you directly to today's exit ticket. So if the link on the form does not work and the link in your digital notebook does not work, you can click right here to open up Illuminate, and it should take you directly to a sign-in page where you click on your name and it brings you to where you need to go. Now this screen looks different because I'm seeing the teacher view, but your screen will take you directly to the test.